What's up, guys? In today's video, Animal Company just got its brand new update of the game, version 1.19, and we're gonna see what's in it. Let's go. And don't ask us why we look like this. We just do. Let's go.
We just joined the army, so we're kind of in our suits right now.
Yeah.
But we kind of escaped, so don't call CPA on us.
Yeah, let's go. All right. So no new cosmetics and stuff. All right,
Hold up.
let's get geared up.
Hold up.
Do I need to on?
We should probably change our avatars.
Yeah.
We look kind of bad. That bar for nice shit. Oh wait, crap.
So I'm keeping that on. I'm keeping that on.
I'm gonna be.
Changing this.
Hold on. I'm gonna. Should I
The
be a wolf?
Bowser Show. I'm gonna be Cat. I'm gonna be Mr. Cat. What up?
All right. You be Mr. Cat. I'm gonna be Mr. Cat.
All right. What? Oh yeah, I need to put my shell on.
I'm gonna be a pug. All right.
Or so.
Let me just change my color.
Bowser. Alright, so I think there might be a new map. Like the golden doors might have opened. Maybe that's why like the loading screen was like that. So I'm just gonna wait for Maze to get changed with his outfit. And
alright, I'm ready.
We're getting into the video. You wanna check out like the new stuff? I'm gonna get like them with my research.
I'm gonna
points.
go, yeah, sure, I'll go check out the new
72. 70, hold up, 72. But there's.
Oh, damn, you can buy the box
one,
now?
But there's two new items. But there's one more. I don't know. I think it's unreleased. Alright. Let's get this cardboard box first. That's got 42 research points. Doubly. Okay. Cardboard box for 3 research points. Yeah. Cardboard box for $4.99. I'm gonna check out this thing called the Stash Grenade. Oh god! Oh god! Wee. Alright, so the Stash Grenade. Harness the power of the stash. Another 4. Does it like suck up it and put it in your stash? I don't know. Hold up. Let's test that out. I'm gonna. Yo, it was like pulling me in. Yo, that's kind of cool. Yo, where are you?
Ready to go mining?
I want to check out like what's new. Also, like this thing called the Stash Grenade. Sound good, no toys. Explosives? Yes. Yo, I can't escape it. What does it do?
Bro, what does it do?
I don't know. What's in my stash? This is purple. So like. That's what I was thinking it is. Oh yeah, it looks like it is. Hold up, I'm gonna buy like a ton of sticks. Alright, so put like these sticks here. wait for the cooldown to be off. Oh. Okay. Not exactly like. It didn't do anything. Oh, shoot. Alright, I don't know what the stash grenade does. But what? Alright. Let's check out this new update. You need to get geared up, bro. Here, take one of these. And take one of these. Okay.
I don't have the pockets.
Oh, you don't have it on that account. Right.
Yeah, I don't have it on this account.
Alright.
So, let's just get to mining.
Alright, let's just go, like, anywhere. Let's check out. I don't feel like the mines actually get any updates anymore. So let's check out the office. They might have opened up those, like, golden doors. The golden doors.
If they did, I'm gonna be really happy.
Yeah, if they got, like...
You have the light.
Yeah, if they got, like, a new map, that would kind of be sick.
Because, like, yeah. I would love my life. Even
Got
though I
the
have
glitch?
diabetes. I still do have diabetes, but I love my life though.
Yeah, diabetes is crazy. Stallone's old catchphrase was diabetes. And bro,
I'm gonna give you.
the golden doors. Nah,
When
I
are they gonna
honestly
open
thought.
that, bro? When are they gonna open that?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, yo, it did get a new update.
I thought you died because I heard like, I felt like the red watch thing was just like, nothing here.
come on.
Like, okay, Ren.
Shit. Give him a Mike Tyson special. I'm gonna give you the Mike Tyson special.
Yeah, Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson.
Boing, boing, boing.
Camera.
Alright. Nice. Got a camera.
Alright, that's not. Alright, I don't think it actually got an update.
I don't think it got an update. All there is the boxes finally. They have a new item and the boxes in the thing. So
Yeah, but my
Wait, when
question is, what is like?
hold up. When did
I
the
threw
camera
it.
get here?
I threw it. My question is, what does the stash grenade do?
I think it just sucks up items so that if it's like a giveaway, then you could suck it up. And then you could put it all in your backpack. Oh! Wait. Try to, like, hold on.
I took like a bunch of sticks and I tried it.
So,
and,
like,
it didn't work.
take all these.
Yeah, it didn't work.
Oh, look. And then open a backpack.
Open a backpack.
Get a backpack, open the backpack. And then, like, throw it on there, see what happens. Oh, wait, I think you need a... Oh! So now try to, like, suck it up in your backpack.
Oh yeah, so like, if like something's floating in the air, you could like throw it to that and just put it in that spot.
So,
Oh,
like, so basically you throw it up, and then, so basically you can, like, throw it up. It's
Hold up.
floating. You
But
can
does
throw
it
it
work
up,
on entities?
giveaway. So there's, like, a bunch of golden guns right here, and then it goes, whoosh, and then all the golden guns here, and then whoosh, open your backpack, boom.
What about you know, like, does it do it for players too? So like, come here. Alright, so just stay on that table, and like try to move over there like very slowly. Look. But, oh my god! I know. Now try. Oh my god! It's like.
Yo, wait, it's actually sucking me in. Hold up.
Yeah.
It was actually sucking me in.
Yeah. Alright, that's cool.
Like, I could... Alright,
wanna-
so that was really... That's
I want
cool.
to see if
Wait,
this got an
it
update.
shows that, like, there's purple thing.
What? What the heck?
What is this?
place. I just went in sewers.
Okay, now we're in
I
sewers.
know. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. I know this place. So like, here is it here.
Grappler here. When did that change to 1,000?
I swear there used to be like a teleport thing here. Alright, so never mind. We gotta go back now.
Let's just jump into the void, honestly.
Whee! Oh no, this is the teleport one. Okay, I guess, bro. Yeah, I'm just gonna join him. Whee! Huh? Did something hit me? Guess I heard like the Armstrong. Ah! Something like that.
Idiot.
Oh my. Alright, that was cool.
Oh, yo, wait. I feel like we should go back.
Hold up. Do they give money though? Do they give money?
Hold up.
I think with the stash grenade. Hold up. Try maybe like this.
Hold up, just in case.
Try to go into
Just in case.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah. Give me your teleport roll. Give me your teleport roll. Like activate teleport.
Ready?
Yeah. All right. Now try to go in the stash without me throwing this on you. Okay. Okay, it worked. All right.
Your way.
All right.
While floating. Look, it gives you some.
I know. I think they might be like used for money. So like, oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. All right.
Can you like suck things out of your hand?
Yeah. Okay, I don't know. All right. Just take your grappler and take a backpack. We're gonna try to get some money. Okay.
All right. Hold up. Wait. Let's see if they mine.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's see if I have a pickaxe. All right. Hold up.
Take one.
Yeah.
Actually, no. I'll go in there first. Hold up. Give it to me. I'll ignite it, and then you put it in your backpack. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
I just tell me like try to get some and just come back.
Hold up. Give me a pickaxe.
All right. Yeah. Get some. Do you have to mine them? Yeah. Try to mine them, or can you just like pick it up?
Wait. All right. Ready?
Yeah. Do you have to like mine them, or can you just like
3, 2, 1, and scammer gets.
All right, so like I'm on call with him right now. So like I'm gonna talk to him like on call. So yo, mate, do you have to like mine them, or can you just like grab them? I'm coming in with you. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm just gonna get you out of here. Bam.
All right, so give me a backpack. All right.
There's 2 backpacks. Let's go in and let's try to make like the most amount of money possible. All right.
Wait. No. I'll go in with my backpack. You stay here with my teleport grenade, okay?
No, bro. Let's just adventure.
Nah, dude.
Trust me.
Dude, don't go in.
Okay, Yo, you can't. Alright, we gotta get some. Alright, yep, they can be in backpacks, so just get as much as you can. Oh shoot. Thank God this rocket launcher. Alright, just get as much as you can. No. got that.
Wait, alright. We're gonna get all these and we're just gonna reset our game.
Nah, I want to go out the hard way. Just trust me. There's like since that one's at like the easy part of sewers, where like the exit is, because
No, I'm not going to sewers. You can do that. Reset my game.
oh my, one right here.
This sounds like lava map.
Yeah. I was I literally was there, bro. Like, yesterday I was at the lava map with like these new players. Oh yeah, and also this is like super cool, and I'm going back into sewers. Alright, I'm in sewers. I
We
just
died,
need to
that's
go.
your fault.
Alright, we gotta go to like. We could either be sewers, or we could go like to the teleport path over here.
Let's go to the teleport place. Oh shit.
It's okay.
You sure?
Hold up.
Alright, yo, I got a grenade just in case. Shit. Go.
Alright.
Wait a second. Wait a ball sacking second.
Hold up. Oh, come over here. Maze? Where'd you go? Alright, come over here.
Wasn't this?
Yeah, oh yeah, it's over here. Oh yeah, just come over here and there's like an exit here. There's like this rift exit.
That ain't no damn exit.
Yep, this is an exit. Teleport pad. Be gone.
Alright. Well, I got a
Sorry.
grenade, so bye-bye.
Alright, yo, let's go sell this. Oh yeah, this looks way cooler.
Damn, how many did you get?
I got a lot. Alright, let's sell this.
Alright, yo, let's see how much it sells for. I imagine it sells for like 20,000.
Yeah.
We only got like, bro.
Bro, this is it's barely worth anything.
Yo, wait, how much money are you at right now?
I'm at like 4 mil. Yeah, I'm at 4.
Oh yeah, on my other account, on my actual account, I have 6 mil now.
Nice. Hold up. What about when it says selling these? We like trade them for like more money or something like that. What about if we could trap the the monsters, like throw it at them so they like can't move? Let's try that actually.
Hold on. Yo, you might be onto something.
Alright, I'm going back in
yo,
the machine.
Get one for me and you. Hold on, shit.
Oh yeah, teleport ball. Hold up.
Here, I'll
Take
just
one
put
of
it in my
these.
backpack.
Oh yeah, forgot.
Wait, no, you need to ignite it. Ready? Alright, I think it's in.
Nah, bro, I literally just jumped in like I didn't care, bro. Okay. Got him. I'm just gonna get like more just in case we miss or something. Okay. 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 Got him. Okay, just like I want like a couple more. What up? Yeah. Alright, bro. I can't really hear you, bro. It's super loud.
Kaiser, really own it.
You didn't get my teleport ball. It's okay. I'll just go back. So I'll just go back to it. Oh.
Told you I got your teleport ball. Bro, you literally own them. Why did you go in there?
It was funner. And I got it.
You literally own them. They're right here, and that's more. Dude, what do you?
They
what,
cost.
You're stupid.
They cost a lot of money. Okay. Alright, yo, let's just go
Alright,
and
how much
test
do they
them.
cost?
Let's test them on Big Mac.
How much do they cost?
They cost like $1, including like anything that you could just get for free in the game that's like right open costs like $1, including
How much is it? No, how much is it?
One of these are like this is like $1. I want to test what
$1?
happens when you put on like a landmine. What will it do? What the heck?
Damn, bro. Bro.
Nah. Crazy. That is crazy.
Hold up, I'm getting your land.
Crazy.
Oh, damn it. Hold on, I'm getting your glow stick.
Don't you worry, I got you.
Got you. There you go.
Yo.
Bro, I'm gonna get off because I need some water.
Bro, just let me grab the glow stick. Alright. Never mind, I'm not getting my glow stick. There's a flashlight right here, and it's free. I'll take that. Perfect. Alright. Make him mad. Stop him from money. Oh yeah, bro, it's damaging him. Yo, that's sick. It damaged him. It makes him die. It does damage. Well, he literally just ran. Now I want to test it on him again. Stand there. Oh no, oh no, oh no, no, no. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Okay, I thought he was coming. We gotta kill Big Mac. Oh god, oh god, oh god, no, oh god. Vroom! Vroom! So how much hits does it take to kill a Big Mac? Bro, like, literally. My god! I'm so thirsty right now. Nope. But I want him to get frozen or something. Nope. out. You know what? No, that's it. I ain't scared of you, boy. Bruh. I hit him so much with that. How much? Does it even do damage? Because it was like hitting him. Does it even do damage? Like, bruh. Doesn't do damage to the player. But it feels like it just does damage like a snowball. Mom, stop it! I'm recording a video! Are you serious right now? Alright, so literally that thing does 0 damage. It's pretty cool actually. And it kind of sucks. And the cardboard box is there. Overall, I rate this like a pretty cool update. Make sure to subscribe.